Alright guys, so we have Luke's Civic in today. We're going to be putting in one of my, which I sell these, flip out head unit. Fitting in one of those, supply and fit. And I'm also going to be fitting one of my undercar neon kits. So I sell both of those products, so if you're interested in buying one after you watch this video, jump on my website, which the link is in the description, and purchase one off me. But yeah, pretty keen to get into it. So yeah, let's not muck around, let's get into it.
Does Remy do any work around here?
Not much.
No, he don't know how to do the work, huh?